got these in manageable sizes. Now, I've been expecting something. Riley and I wanted to come out here and take a look at what we have to clean up. We got an unboxing to do. Come on, let's see what I got. Hi, welcome to the greenhouse. You're just in time for another product review. Now, I cleared off as many of the big branches as I could with that Saker mini chainsaw, and it worked wonderful. But instead of getting a ladder out, as the folks at Saker, they had a solution for me. And this is what they sent me. So let's see what's inside and run it through its paces. Well, it looks like it comes in chapters. Expected that with all the extensions that they have in here. So let's see what we got. Open the right one first. We got our charger. We got our chainsaw oil. We've got an extra chainsaw blade, some gloves. This is a full regalia. We got the battery and the chainsaw. We got some safety glasses. Once again, battery comes fully charged. Okay. The other chainsaw we got was a 4-inch. This is a 6-inch. Got a hand adjustment to tighten your blade, which is good and tight. Nice safety feature. That's nice. Quick stop. Take your finger off and it stops. See what these extension arms look like. Oh yeah, here we go. So you can use this just as a handheld, or you can put the extension on it. And it looks like you can go as long as you need to go. I'm going to take it all the way out. Okay, so this will be the bottom one. Battery goes here. This looks like it's going to go together pretty simply. We've got an arrow right there. We've got an arrow right there. Just line those up. Slide that together. Bring your collar up. And it just screws on. And our chainsaw just clips on there. We've got an adjustment knob. So we can put it in several different positions. I think we're going to try it straight out to begin with. Got a little plug that goes right in the back of the chainsaw. We slide the battery on the other end. Safety trigger. Let's go try this out. But before we do that, we'll make sure we got some oil on here. Just going to put a few drops on the chain. Run that through. We got some gloves and it's cold enough today. I'm going to be glad to have these. Let's go cut some branches. It looks like it extends easy enough that you don't have to get right underneath what you're cutting. And I'm going to do this in chapters. Don't want to mess up the new fence. Just let the saw do its work. Just like that, no damage. This thing runs pretty good. This will reach right on up there. Just that easy. This little chainsaw is no joke. That is awesome. I'm having far too much fun. And now, we're just going to go ahead and take the battery off this. Now that we got these cut up, we've cut them into, we've got these into manageable sizes. Now we can haul these off. One fine machine. If you're interested in something like this, check Saker out. They've got quite a few neat products, and I'm very happy with everything I've had so far. Well, that made pretty quick work of that. Got a couple hours worth of cleanup to go. Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. That's a pretty good tool. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.